Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Procter & Gamble easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Procter & Gamble, start by researching the company. Understand its products, market position, and financial health. Visit a reputable financial news website to gather data on Procter & Gamble's recent performance. Choose a brokerage platform that suits your investment style. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Provide the necessary personal and financial information during the registration process. Fund your brokerage account by linking it to your bank account or transferring funds. Search for Procter & Gamble on the brokerage platform. Look for the stock ticker symbol, which is PG. Review the latest stock data, determine how many shares of Procter & Gamble you want to buy. Decide on the type of order you wish to place, market order or limit order. A market order buys the stock at the current market price. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. Place your order after reviewing the details. Confirm the transaction details, including the number of shares and total cost. Monitor your investment regularly to stay updated on Procter & Gamble's performance. Consider setting alerts for significant changes in the stock price. Evaluate whether to hold or sell your shares based on performance and market conditions. Keep an eye on Procter & Gamble's quarterly earnings reports and news releases. Review your overall investment strategy periodically to align with your financial goals. Stay informed about broader market trends that may affect your investment. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Investing in Procter & Gamble can be a valuable addition to your portfolio if managed wisely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.